All right, guys, so next we're gonna take out this intake runner right here. Some of them is like, there's two is nuts, the rest is bolts. Okay, those are 12 mil. On the top right here, the only thing that we need to disconnect is that two bolts right here on those injectors, and then the hose right there. And this thing is free now. Okay, this will go together with the intake runner when we take all this thing out. So let's quickly do that here. Let's do the outside first, and then we'll work our way in. All right, so this side is good. It's all free up. Now we're gonna be taking this thing out, see how the thing is loose now. Fuel rail and injectors is gonna go together. Yeah, look at that. This is where the leak's coming from. This spacer right here, don't forget it goes like that right there, okay? When you bolt it down together. All right, she's out. It looks like that. Check out in there, see if there's an O-ring in there. Yeah, there's an O-ring in there. I can see it right there. So definitely we're gonna get a new one. It looks like it's been squeezed so many times. Let's take it out here. There we go. Here's the other one. Yeah, we're gonna clean all this up. All right, here we go. 13B Mazda. Let's take a look on the inside of this thing here from the port. Start with the exhaust. Wow. There's the apex right there and right there. That's the exhaust, and this is the intake right there, secondary and primary. I'm not sure which one is which, but my god, there's a lot of oil right there. Lots of oil. And this is the fuel injectors. This is on the port injector, and this is direct to the rotor housing. There's a wet spot from the injector of the fuel, because the fuel is mixed with the oil. We have to see if this thing is leaking or not. We're back on the block right here. Just have to get this thing cleaned up. I'm still debating if I can take this to the rotary specialist to port the intake and the exhaust, street ports or bridge port. Pretty expensive to do it. The whole full system, primary and secondary port, is like almost $1,000 plus tax, Canadian dollar, and then porting the exhaust as well to match the outside of this diameter to the inside. Port that. Thinking of debating of see if I can do that, but I need to take out the clutch, the flywheel, everything around the rotor housing, and then send it to the shop. While I'm doing that, waiting, next video I'm gonna work on this harness here, get this thing cleaned up, strip all this old wire loom and electrical tape, replace it with a brand new one. All right, that's it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll do update, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.